Well, I thought Reid really deserved the Annie Dora Award because she makes a big point of making sure that people get connected to all the resources that they're eligible for. She is the person in our office who does applications for Kaiser K-Step. She's our liaison to the Housing Stabilization Program. But beyond sort of that official capacity, she's really interested in knowing what other resources people might be in need of, and she makes a point of doing the best that she can to getting them connected to everything that they might be eligible for. You have won the Annie Dora's the Right Door Award for Excellence in Collaborative Service Delivery. You are an active agent toward a thriving community. You are an inspiration to others by providing the best for consumers. Janae was talking about how impressed she was when you've been doing training with her on making those referrals, and I think, you know, that philosophy is something that she sees as something kind of different from the county that she came from, and she has been really appreciative of that and appreciative of the training, and I certainly have really appreciate the great work that you do in hooking people up. Thank you.
Oh, thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Congratulations. You definitely surprised me. I had no idea.
I nominated Reid because her level of customer service is unmatched. She follows up with our clients to the point where every single one of their needs is met, and then also thinks outside the box for things that the client might not even know that they're in need of right now. She can do that kind of forward thinking. You know, a lot of our clients are in a crisis mode, and she can really help to support them and follow up with them, and she's just a pleasure to work with, so I just wanted to make sure she gets recognized for all of her hard work. So.
Boulder County Healthy Kids, this is Reid. ¿Sí? ¿En qué lo puedo ayudar?
I have a client that I referred to her for the housing stabilization. She not only helped to complete their family Medicaid application, but she also did their housing stabilization application. They're going to be out of health insurance and not eligible for CHP+, so she's also doing a Kaiser Permanente step-up program. So she's helped this particular client with 3 different services in less than 72 hours. So she's really amazing. So.
Yeah, I really like to take the time to spend with clients, because if they've made the effort to come in here, for a lot of clients it's hard to set foot in this building. It's hard to admit that they might need some help. Some clients are accessing services for the first time, and they might not know of, you know, the array of services that are available. So if they're here in my office, I definitely take the time to sit down and really explore what their needs are, because I know it's hard to ask for help sometimes. I really enjoy, especially helping families, pregnant women. I did a lot of work at the community health centers with pregnant women, and then I know a lot of the programs available for women during pregnancy, so that's another one of my specialties that I kind of send clients to. But yeah, I think we all have a philosophy of opening any door is the right door for clients, and we have the privilege at Healthy Kids to have folks like myself that aren't, you know, solely focused on processing and doing the data entry work, that we are able to do this outreach and this enrollment and really sit down and help clients and take time to do the application assistance. So I think that's really important, and it's also the structure of how Healthy Kids is set up that allows us to have that opportunity.
We're just really happy that we were able to do this for Reid. I think she's been doing a fabulous job, and we're excited that she's, you know, that the customer service she gives is so kind of over the top. So
and our community partners too. She really takes care of them. She trains them. She goes and does troubleshooting and outreach for them at least once a week, right? She goes to dental aid, so I mean, she's hitting all the bases. I think this award is made for her because it really applies to her level of service. So.
I guess I was just surprised to see everyone in the office being surprised. But I definitely appreciate the recognition, and I think Boulder County does a really good job of rewarding its employees and you know, letting them know when they're doing a good job. And it's hard work sometimes, so it's good to get that encouragement.